Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, today we are going to start our new lesson, and that is Unit 9, the Earth. In today's lesson, I will just introduce you the Earth as a planet. So, let's begin our today's lesson. Dear students, in the last lesson, the sun and stars, we have learnt that the Earth is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. The sun is at the center and the 8 planets are revolving and rotating around the sun. And our Earth is also a planet out of those 8 planets. It is the 3rd planet of the solar system. 8 planets including our Earth are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, these are the 8 planets. So, the Earth is the 3rd planet. Mercury, Venus and Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet and it is orbiting and traveling around the sun in the solar system. Most of the students in science project have made that solar system project also, and they I hope they remembered and they have learnt a lot about what is the solar system. So, it is the solar system in which the sun is at the center of it and 8 planets are rotating and revolving around the sun. Earth is a planet. Earth travels around the sun at an average distance of about 93 million miles. Okay, it is the distance what the Earth is traveling around the sun. So, dear students, we have learnt that there are 8 planets in the solar system, but the life is possible only on our planet Earth. Why? Why? Because the things that are required, the necessities of life, that are air, water, are present on only our planet Earth. So that life is possible on planet Earth only because Earth has land, water and air, so that the life is possible, or all the creatures, all the living beings can survive in these circumstances, that there are all the necessities of life present there. Okay, like air and the most important thing is water. So Earth has enough water, that 70% of Earth is water. So life is possible only on planet Earth and not on the other 7 planets. Okay, and the Earth has oxygen gas, it has water, and we have learned in the lesson the sun and stars that oxygen gas is very much necessary for us to breathe in, and the oxygen gas is present in air, and we have learned about the air in detail in the lesson air, that air is needed for human beings, for all the living beings like animals, like plants and like us, to breathe in. As in air is made up of some gases, and oxygen gas is one of those gases that is very much important for us, and without oxygen gas, without air, we cannot even breathe. Okay, so dear students, earth also has perfect temperature for life that is needed for us to live. That temperature that is needed for us to live, it is not too hot and not too cold. As if we talk about other planets, like I have told you Venus, so Venus is quite near to the sun and it is getting too much heat from the sun, so it is too hot. And if we talk about Neptune, Neptune is so far from the sun, so it is not getting enough heat from the sun, and obviously it is so cold when it is not getting heat from the sun. So some planets are very near to the sun and they are getting too much heat, so they are so hot, life is not possible on those planets. And on some planets, as they are far from the very much far from the sun, so they are so much cold because they are not getting too much heat as it is required for human life. So it is not possible that anyone can live or survive on other planets. So it is the earth only, our planet earth only, that has average temperature, that has enough water, that has air and present oxygen gas present in the air to breathe in. So all these things are present in our planet earth. Okay dear students, we all know that water is very much necessary for us to live in. Without water, no living being can survive. Even plants, even animals and human beings, we all are living beings. So without water we cannot survive. And earth's surface, 70% of earth's surface is covered with water, and it is quite enough for any living being to survive. So it is suitable. The earth as a planet, it is the only planet that is suitable for human life or living being to survive in. Okay dear students, so I hope you have learnt a lot through this explanation about the earth as a planet to live in, as a planet that is suitable, that is the only planet that is suitable for living beings to survive. Okay, we will learn more about the earth in the next lesson. So Allah Hafiz for today and take care.